Today, I'll show you how to install WordPress on GoDaddy using their managed WordPress hosting and how to start editing your new site right away. We'll keep it simple and move step by step so you can follow along, even if this is your very first website. First, you'll need a GoDaddy account and an internet browser open. The process starts by purchasing a hosting plan that's specifically designed for WordPress. On GoDaddy, this is called a managed WordPress subscription. This type of plan takes care of many technical tasks for you, like automatic updates and some security features, so you don't have to manage those manually. Once you're signed into your GoDaddy account, look for the area called My Products. This is your main dashboard where all of your domains and services are listed. Take a moment to get familiar with this page because it's where you'll manage your hosting and any other products you buy from GoDaddy. Under the My Products section, find the heading or category labeled Managed WordPress. This is where your new subscription will appear after you purchase it. If you've just completed the purchase, you may see a prompt to set up WordPress right away. If not, don't worry, you can always get there from this Managed WordPress section. Next, click on Managed WordPress and then choose Manage All. This will take you to a page that shows all of your WordPress installations connected to your GoDaddy account. If this is your first site, the list will be empty, and that's exactly what we want for a clean setup. From here, look for an option that says Create WP Site or something very similar. GoDaddy may slightly change the wording over time, but you're looking for the button or link that starts the creation of a new WordPress site. Click that, and GoDaddy will walk you through a short setup process. During this process, you'll usually be asked to connect a domain to your site and set some basic details like the site name and login information. Take your time here and choose a site title that matches what your website is about. Once you confirm these details, GoDaddy will automatically install WordPress on your hosting. This part can take a minute or two, so let it run until you see a confirmation that your site has been created. After the installation completes, you'll see your new WordPress site listed in the Managed WordPress section. From there, you can edit it directly. Look for an option to open or edit the site, or a link that takes you to the WordPress dashboard. That dashboard is where you'll customize your theme, add pages and posts, install plugins, and manage everything about your website. And that's it. You've installed WordPress on GoDaddy using Managed WordPress, and you're ready to start building and editing your site from the WordPress dashboard.